I want to ask a question wherein I think most of us can benefit. The question is, how can we practice compassion, and if there are any tips for where we can manage our anger, or any books that you could suggest, please? Thank you.
As I mentioned earlier, we are in the category of different mammals. We are a social animal. Any social animal, biologically, there is certain sort of also the ability to bring together. So, other animal, social animal, they have a limited sort of altruism among themselves. That's very necessary for survival. So, individual, social animal, their survival depends on the community. So, sense of sort of oneness, sense of sort of community there. Without that, they can't survive. Then we human beings, also social animal. Therefore, the seed of compassion, biologically there. Now the important is, when we were young, these human value very much sort of fresh. Then once we join modern education, no one talking about these inner value. So then these basic sort of value become dormant survey, dormant. And just material value, money, power, all these, then no relevant these inner value. But society, as social animal, in the family, billionaire, very rich, but without affection in the family member, that family never be happy family. Poor beggar, materially very poor, but full of affection. Very happy, can be very happy sort of family. Like that, we are a social animal. Biologically, we need certain sort of emotion which bring together. So I feel, so we have this intelligence. So use intelligence, the basic human value, then can further increase or at least kept. So these things, compassion, not sort of talking about next life or moksha or nirvana. Compassion, our day-to-day life, the warm-heartedness is very important. Part of our education about our health. So we can teach these things. Not, Buddha says such things, or other sort of spiritual leaders say such things. No, not relying on these quotations. Just simply our common sense, use common sense. Like that. Okay.